Forgotten password for Proton Mail. Let's say you've forgotten your Proton Mail account password. What do? Well, it's quite simple. First of all, let's have you fix it. Now, don't panic. Here's exactly what to do, step by step. The first you should know is that Proton Mail's encryption means they cannot see your password or reset it for you. So you cannot recover your old password. Your only option is to create a completely new one. That's right. The first thing you need to do is use a recovery method. Now, it is very crucial you must have set up a recovery email or phone number beforehand. If you hadn't, then I have bad news for you. No recovery method, your account data is permanently locked. You cannot recover your old emails. The only option is to create a new account. But if you set up a recovery email or phone number, or even both, beforehand, then let's follow this instruction and see what to do to recover in this case, to reset our password since you cannot get the old password back. So let's say I'm trying to sign in and I forgot my password. The next thing you tap on trouble signing in, forgot password. Now reset password. You have to put in your email or username. Then you tap on next. Now do not forget, go to PROTON MAIL login, tap on the option, click reset password. This is where we are, password. Reset password, enter the username. Now, this username will now take you to the recovery email. Let's do that. Once you do that, to follow the instruction will be sent to your recovery address. That is either the email or the phone number. So just follow the address and start the reset process. Once you're back in, you need to set up a recovery email and phone number in your settings to prevent this in the future. Now let's try something. Let's put in wrong password. Incorrect login credentials. Please try again. So we'll go to trouble signing in. Forgot password. You're going to have human verification done. So once the captcha is completed, we sent a reset code to the email address you provided for account recovery. You will lose access to all your current encrypted data in your account if you continue. So you have to put in let's say this is my recovery email. Then you tap on send code. Human verification again for security reasons. Tap on next. Verification successful. A code has been sent. So you go there, take it code and put it in. Here we go. Proton password reset. This is the code. Let's copy it. Let's go back and put it in. Then reset password. Once you reset your password, all your existing data, that is emails, events, contact files, Proton pass entries, everything will be locked and can only be unlocked with your old password. Also, any two-factor authentication method on your account will also be disabled. So tap on reset password and then you put in a new password and confirm and tap on continue. It's as simple as that.